Hi and welcome to Unit 2, Topic 2, Video 12. And we're in our last example now where we've got sine 4 theta. Now I would like to tie this across to something you're doing in Unit 3, and that is some of our work on De Moivre's theorem in the complex number Unit 3 will lead to a proof for this identity as well. But I'm going to do it differently. And unlike in example 2, this time I'm going to start with the left-hand side. And because I can't see much I can do with the right-hand side this time. There's no cosec's or sec's or there's no tans or cots. There's nothing I can simplify out. It's already in terms of sine and cos, and there's not a great deal I can do with it. So I'm going to start instead with the left-hand side because I can see a double angle formula doubled. Maybe I can do something with that. So sine 4 theta is equal to 2 sine 2 theta cos 2 theta. Because this is kind of like equal to sine of 2 times 2 theta. So I'm going to apply the double angle formula there, and then I'm going to apply the double angle formula again. And this gives me 2 times 2 sine theta cos theta. But then cos 2 theta becomes cos squared theta minus sine squared theta. And I'm pretty happy at the moment because this is a single term multiplied by that, and that creates two terms. And I've got two terms up there, and better yet, there's a negative. So I think this is going to work out quite nicely. So this is equal to 4 sine theta cos theta times cos squared theta minus 4 sine theta cos theta times sine squared theta. And that becomes 4 sine theta cos cubed theta minus 4 sine cubed theta cos theta. And it worked. So can I just say there, this one looks quite tricky, and it's actually worked out quite simply. But I did the opposite approach. I started with the left-hand side rather than the right-hand side. Most students have the biggest problems with making the right initial choices. Now, what I'm going to urge you to do is this. Go through and start practicing and understand that these questions can be real time sinks in your exam. They can waste a lot of time if you're not careful about it. So I encourage you to, when you're practicing them, practice making a choice that you suspect will be the best choice and then just go. A lot of students will waste 2 or 3 minutes trying to analyse which way to go. Or almost all cases, there's going to be 2 or 3 options, maybe more. So just make a choice and just go for it and see what happens. And as you practice these questions, successfully or unsuccessfully, you will build a better repertoire of where to start, what type of question, and then you'll be making quicker and more accurate choices later on. So don't waste time. Pick a side, start with it, pick the side you think you can do the most to, and just go for it and see what happens. All the best.